Practice fire drills in a preschool on a regular basis. During an emergency like fire and earthquake, if drills are practiced, children come to know about their routine and the way they should be evacuating in a very easy way. If there is an emergency related to fire and the fire alarm sounds out, it's very important that children start lining up and move outside towards a safe exit. If you see fumes rising up and the intensity of fire rising, or if a friend catches on fire, the best is to stop, drop, roll, and walk outside. Essential components include evacuation routes, emergency contact lists for children's staff, and staff training for quick, calm action. Plans must be reviewed annually and accessible to all. Very important component for an emergency is emergency kits, or called go bag. Assemble 72 hours of first aid, water, non-perishable food, flashlights, and children's medication. In the earthquakes, drop immediately at cover and hold. Drop your hands and knees, crawl under a sturdy table or desk, and protect your head and neck. If no shelter is nearby, move to an interior wall away from windows or tall furniture and hold on to a table. Emergencies are easier to handle with education and practice. Let us participate and show how our little ones can handle the emergencies on their own and come out of it.